Hi, I'm Andrew, and I'm standing next to the 2013 Ford Fusion. The Fusion is a family car to feast your eyes on, with a design that's sure to wow and features that would make any car in its class blush. The bold hexagonal grille gives the Fusion a distinctive look, while low-profile, laser-cut projector headlamps give a bolder, wider appearance. The LED tail lights last longer, conventional tail lamps, and at the back end, where the trunk design is flush with the bumper, adding to the already striking style. The Fusion employs EcoBoost technology to enhance both performance and efficiency range. The Fusion also comes in a hybrid and a hybrid plug-in version that deliver truly amazing miles per gallon. With the optional heated, leather-trimmed, 10-way power driver's seat, comfort is guaranteed. The 16 cubic feet of trunk space assure you that there is plenty of cargo room, and to create an overall mood, the Fusion also has available ambient lighting, giving it a very modern appearance. Along with that upscale interior, the Fusion also has some of the best technology available on the market today. Using steering wheel controls and voice commands, Sync with My Ford Touch provides easy access to your vehicle's systems with your hands on the wheel and, more importantly, your eyes on the road. Also available is the very convenient hands-free Active Park Assist. Simply press a button and the Fusion will parallel park itself with almost no input from you, the driver. 6 airbags, even 7 in the hybrid, 4-wheel disc anti-lock brakes, and advanced track with electronic stability control system are all included as standard equipment. Also available is a rear view camera, which will automatically transmit the image of whatever's behind your vehicle. If you're looking for a car with a lot of class, safety, and style, the Ford Fusion is unquestionably a sedan that needs a look. So come down and see us and check out the 2013 Ford Fusion.